Are you saying it in the comments already? Without the luxury price. The attention to detail is going crazy. That's my Birkin. That's my Birkin. Hi, my loves. I always blush every time I come on camera. I always blush because I know a butterfly somewhere is looking at me and smiling. Today has been amazing for me. Let me know how your day is going so far. But if you're new here, I'm LYDIA Stanley, or very fondly called Mrs. M. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you gorgeousness on a budget. Now, this is my first unofficial bag, or how do I put it? This is my first Birkin, okay? And I have had this bag on my wish list for the longest time. This website gives me the opportunity to buy this bag at a very affordable price without the... Are you saying it in the comments already? Without the luxury price. Luxury on a budget for sure. So luxury but without the price, you know. That's what this bag is. I'm going to show it to you now because it is so unbelievably beautiful. This bag is from FKBs, okay? And the attention to detail, I already opened this because I could not just wait. The attention to detail, I'm telling you, mind-blowing. I also have a 5% discount code for you. It's LYDIA to get you 5% off this bag. Let me show you what this bag looks like, okay? Now, this bag, they have taken out the what do you call it, the packaging, the box, because of customs for some reason, but it came with this bag, the orange bag. And now I'm going to show you what this bag is like. I thought I already received, or it's somewhere. This is the bag. Oh my goodness, are you even ready? Oh. Can you see how beautiful this bag is though? Is it registering how gorgeous this bag is? Like, the detail, the attention to detail is crazy. The attention to detail is going crazy. What? This is a smaller size. I have seen two people I watch on Instagram buy this. It is so beautiful. It is such an amazing size. I don't even know how to explain this to you. Can you see that detail in there? Can you see that? Please tell me you can. Let me bring it up close. Look at that. Like, this bag is so insanely beautiful. I think every girl, every woman should have it in her collection, okay? I am going to go ahead and just take off this. Wow. I'm going to carry this for only the important meetings. Can you see that detail there? Come on. Come on. Remember to use my discount code for 5% off. I'm going to leave it on the screen right now. I'm just taking this off. This is the stuff that comes and protects the front part of the bag. So I'm taking that out. Oh, this bag is so beautiful. Anyway, going into the bag, this is what's inside the bag. What's this? Oh, I think this is a certificate. Can you see the detail in that bag? Like, can you see the detail? It is so well made. It is so well made. I don't even know how to explain it to you other than this bag is so beautiful right here, right now. Like, it is so well made. We also have this tiny box, and in this box we have the key. The key that if you want, you can have it on the bag. Isn't that so cute? Can you see the amount of details that is going into this? Isn't this so beautiful? What? So if you want to have it like when you lock it, or if you don't want to lock it, whatever, you can just, I just put it there so you can see it however you feel like. And this is the key for it. It's so cute. Wow. So that's it, my loves. Once again, let's get into the gorgeousness that is this bag. I genuinely think this bag is such an incredible purchase. I mean, look at that detail. Look at that detail. Like, can you see how it's, oh my goodness. Wow. So I haven't padlocked it yet, but that's my Birkin. That's my Birkin. That's my Birkin. Yeah, let me know what you think about my bag. Is this bag among the ones on your wish list, or is there one on your wish list that you haven't seen me shown? Let me know down below. If you didn't know, it's a tradition over here to leave our wish list bags as comments, because you never know who is granting your wish, number one, and number two, it makes you one step closer to just owning it. I'm definitely going to take this bag on my trip with me. Check out the page. This is amazing. Check out FKB's website. I would definitely recommend them because this is amazing in my hand right now. This is luxury, like the actual luxury. Can you look at that craftsmanship? I don't think you understand the amazingness I'm holding in my hand right now. Like, what? Definitely check them out and use my code Lydia for 5% off. I would highly, don't walk, run and get you this bag. It's amazing. Okay, amazing. I cannot even get enough of it. What? Wow. Thank you for watching my video, my loves. Until the next time when I bring you something amazing again, stay tuned, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if this is not your jam, a vlog is coming up which you would love. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Bye.